How to create a new and fresh Gmail account just within some minutes on your iPhone device. To create a new Gmail account, what you need to do is open the browser like me and click on the search bar of your device. Here you have to search for Google create Google account. And here you can see a lot of option. There you have to click on Google accounts sign in option in front of you. When you will click on the sign in, you can see this is my already login Google account. I will click on the right top of the screen. Here click on add account, and now on the bottom-most corner of the screen you will see an option to create your account. Create it. Here you can create your account for personal use, for your children's, and for your business. I will click on the personal account. Here enter your first name, the surname, and click on the next, and your account will be created within about 5 minutes. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching.